How to fix Realme 13 won't send text messages. So let's start the video. First of all, check your network connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your network connection. After that, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now click on app management and scroll down and click on messages app. Now click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of messages app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and on top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.